Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Most of them are requested to do home tour, and finally I got a chance to do my home tour in South Africa. Basically, if you don't know, I live in South Africa, Johannesburg. So guys, this is the entrance of our complex and you can see the parking lot, and it is a small complex with approx 26 units, and this complex is fully safe as compound and all. It's surrounded with the electric fence and you will get an automated key for individual house. So I'm taking going you through the swimming pool area. So, and here is the swimming pool, and this area is quite busy during weekends because most of the people make braai and gonna enjoy in this place because of this beautiful view. So guys, let me show my entrance. I'm not showing deep into the entrance because due to the security reason. And this is our tiny garden. And I mostly spend time here outside while having tea or coffee. And there is a gardener who gonna clean the garden and also to pour the water and for the maintenance. And here is our braai stand. We usually use this braai stand to make a barbecue during the weekends or when our friends or get together, we're gonna use this. Also, we have two doors here. This is the one and this is the another door, but we use only one door. So yeah, let me take and go you two inside. Let me open this. So yeah guys, this is our entrance view. And let me close this. And yeah, I shooted with two different timing and it's night now. And yeah friends, this is our living area, and this is a dining table where we usually works, and we spend most of the time in this living area since it's work from home. I got different sort of questions like what I do there, is it safe to live in South Africa, and much more. But and most requested video is to do a house tour, and most of them ask me whether it's your own house or it's a rented. I gonna tell you at the end of my video, so keep watching. Yeah, guys, me and Avi gave our 100% to decorate, and these dolls are the one which we won in the crane machine game, and we won almost 30 dolls, and some are here. And this is our slipper stand, and we keep our shoes or slipper which we will not use it more. And yeah, guys, in this coffee table, we have kept vase with the flowers, right? There is some stones inside it. I think it's visible. Yeah, there is some stones in it which I collected in Cape Town beach when we gone in. I think in the month of December 2022, I have collected some stones over there, so I have decorated that. And we bought that dream catcher, and this Christmas tree also it was decorated, and the down table it was painted by me. And these are the dolls which we won in the crane machine and they're so cute. And these are all different dolls. And here we have some books, and here is our photos. We have some books for here to read, but yeah, I never finished reading all those books. And this is a small table where I decorated with a pot, etc. This is an extra gas stove, and here I have my favorite place, that is fridge. And these two dolls also we got in this crane machine game, and it was made by me. And these fridge magnets is painted by me. Whenever I got free time, I gonna do this fridge magnet and I pasted all over. Most of the paintings is done by me, and some are the photos and some are the quote which were given by the friends. And this is the lightings, and you can even change the light, and the banner is also made by me. And here is our kitchen. It's an open kitchen. Let me show you my kitchen. And here you can see the electric stove with the four plates, and here I have a oven. And this one, the coffee, wake up coffee is a hugging mug, and that one also it's made by me. And let's cook, that and all it's made by me. It's an handmade DIY. And these are different glasses, wine glasses or beer glasses, etc. Coffee, tea mugs. Most of the western countries does not use a gas stove, so I bought an extra gas stove, a single burner gas stove. Most of them uses this electric stove, but I got used to it by using this electric stove. But consequently I also bought a small gas stove. So here is my kitchen items. To look alluring, we added it with lights. And this is our living area plus kitchen. So I showed you these glasses, different beer, wine, coffee, tea, or short glasses. And let me show you this cutlery sets. And yeah, and spoons. I'm showing you some random things. And all these are fragile. And yeah guys, let me take and go you to the next one. If I move forward, here you can see the cupboards, where you can see the geyser, and also there is a washing machine here and stuff related to washing machine. And this is also painting which is made by me. And this is an washroom where you can find a shower area, a basin, or also a toilet, or also the bathtub. And yeah, these are all decorated by me itself. So yeah guys, moving forward, we have the room, and this is 1 bhk. Since we are only a two people, 1 bhk is more than enough for us. If there is more than two people, then obviously there is a rules to take a 2 bhk, but since we are only two, we have bought 1 bhk. And this is a cupboards. And I made god mandir here. And here you can find the beauty products which we use usually in the weekends. Here we have the medical kit, the next step, massager and all, etc. And here I have beauty products of me and Avin. And this is the place we usually make a movie night, usually in the weekends, and we watch a lot of movies, and even the Wi-Fi is connected over here. And this is the outside view. So guys, I think this is the right time to make the house tour because we are moving out of this complex to a new complex, and most of them asked whether this is our own house or not. No, this is not our own house, it's a rented house. So somehow we'll be not here in coming days, so I thought this is the right time to make a video. And also coming to the rent, I can't tell you the exact amount of rent, but I can give you a close picture. So yeah guys, if I want to tell in the Indian rupees, it is almost 50,000 plus rupees per month, including maintenance, electricity bill, etc. And yeah, here in the drawers I have my makeup items filled, watches, and also I kept some bags here, all bags. And this is me. Friends, this house is fully furnished. All the furniture are owners one. Only little, like 20% is ours, like fan, decorative items, or some kitchen items, etc. Let me show you the outside one. And this is the gate. We have a remote to open and close. And I'm just showing you the outside one because inside one I can't show you due to the security reason. Entering the gate I can't show you, and the complex name also I can't tell you. And that's it for today guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.